Heel.
The emergency, please.
Hi, I'm at the abandoned building by Old Sacramento.
Which abandoned building? Do you know the address?
I don't know the address. It's the only one right here between the rail yard and fucking Old Sacramento.
Okay. Do you know the cross street near Rail Yard?
High Street.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay. I'm going to just take this for a long time. You're going to be fucked up. You're not coming out.
Okay, what's going on?
So he started knifing me. He tried to molest me.
Who?
This guy, Johnny.
Do you know who he is?
It was my boyfriend, but he's like playing games.
Okay, did he hit you with the knife?
He stole my stuff. He stole how stuff from my house. Yeah, it's just a messed up situation.
Is he still there?
Yes.
Okay, does he still have the knife?
No, he threw it at me.
Did it hit you?
No, but he has my BB gun. He tried to shoot me with it. Anyway, he needs to go to jail for his warrant.
Do you know what warrant it is?
For failure to register. Just like, you don't do that to people. You don't steal people's stuff.
You better stop! Johnny, stop! Stop! Drop the gun! He's got a gun to his head. Johnny, stop!
Otherwise, let me break up your after.
I can't see anything.
No. I see him.
You don't want
Can
to.
you let it ride?
I don't know if it's really going. I just listened to his firearms. I don't think I. Under the water. We've lost visual.
Northern contact team's going with announcements.
Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, we need you to come up to the bike trail with your hands up at this point. Sac PD K9. Johnny Balcorda, we know that you are hiding down there. We do not want to have to hurt you. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hand, and surrender. You are completely surrounded. Attention on the ground, attention on the ground. This is the Sacramento Police Department. Johnny Balcorda, you are completely surrounded. We know that you are hiding down by the riverbed. If you decide to flee, we will send a dog. That dog will find you, and that dog will bite you. We do not want to have to hurt you. Come out now, surrender peacefully, with your hands up in the air, and walk up to the bike trail.
I think the only we got running. People are running. People are running on the island over there.
Heel.
Johnny Balcorda, we see you. We'll send the dog. Hands up right now.
Yep.
Johnny, hands up!
Stop.
Johnny, hands up!
No. Drop the gun! Heel!
Hey, give up, Johnny! Give me
Stop
hands.
fighting the dog! Give me your other hand!
Right now!
Hand!
Hey, he hits you right. Hey, he's got a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Where's the gun? Hey, give up, Johnny! No, I think it's just dog bite.
경찰관들은 현장에서 비비건과 모형총을 회수했습니다. 미국 캘리포니아에서는 18세 이상 성인이면 대부분의 비비건을 구매할 수 있으며 법적으로는 총구 부분에 주황색 식별 캡을 부착하는 등 실총과 구별되는 표시가 있어야 합니다. 하지만 모형이 실제 총처럼 보일 경우 경찰이 실탄으로 대응할 수 있기 때문에 매우 위험할 수 있습니다. 한국에서는 출력이 약하고 실총과 구분되는 완구 비비탄 총은 일부 허용되지만 출력이 높거나 외형이 실제 총기와 유사한 경우에는 불법 모의 총포로 간주되어 소지 자체가 금지됩니다. 조니는 현재 경범죄 1건과 중범죄 3건의 혐의로 보석 없이 새크라멘토 카운티 교도소에 수감 중입니다.